Welcome back to Luxscape. Today we're taking a closer look at Viva Miches by Wyndham, a new all-inclusive that opened in December 2024 on Playa Esmeralda in the Miches region of the Dominican Republic. It sits well away from the main Punta Cana corridor, and that distance is actually part of the appeal. We'll walk through the accommodations, dining, and everything there is to do, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your next trip. We'll start by covering the accommodations. Viva Miches spreads across 538 rooms, arranged across three four-floor buildings. And the way they've structured the categories gives you a genuinely clear upgrade path, depending on what matters most to you. At the entry level, you've got the superior garden rooms. These are solid, well-sized rooms. King or two queens, a daybed, private balcony or terrace, and on select ground floor units, a plunge pool. If you're not fussed about a sea view and you'd rather put the budget elsewhere, this is a comfortable base. Move up to the superior ocean view and you're getting elevated Caribbean sea views from that private balcony. Same bed configurations, same amenities. The difference is entirely what you wake up looking at. Now, the splash category is where things get more interesting. These are ground floor rooms and they come with a private plunge pool on the terrace, available in garden, ocean view, and oceanfront configurations. So you can combine the plunge pool with whichever setting suits you. That splash ocean view hits a sweet spot for many people, a semi-private outdoor setup without paying top-of-the-range prices. At the top, you've got the oceanfront rooms, the closest to the water, unobstructed sea views, direct beach access, and the plunge pool is included. If you're the kind of traveler who wants to wake up to the sound of the Caribbean and step outside to your own pool, this is the one. Across all categories, the in-room package is consistent. Air conditioning, flat-screen TV, mini fridge stocked upon arrival, in-room safe, iron, and hairdryer. Connecting rooms are offered for families or groups along with accessible rooms featuring two queen beds across all categories. Next up, we'll cover the food and drinks. The dining setup here is broader than you'd expect for a resort at this price point. One main buffet, 4 a la carte restaurants, and a few details that most other videos won't cover. The El Lago Buffet runs breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a rotating daily menu, so you're not eating the same spread twice. That's your reliable fallback, and, for families especially, it delivers. The 4 a la carte options cover Latin fusion, fusion oriental, Mediterranean, and Atlantis, the seafood-focused restaurant, giving you a good mix of styles. All four require reservations and tend to fill up quickly, so it's worth booking through the front desk or the app as soon as you arrive. The Fusion Oriental is one of the standout spaces on the property. It runs a live sushi counter and teppanyaki show cooking. The teppanyaki needs its own separate reservation, so if that's on your list, flag it immediately on arrival. The Mediterranean restaurant overlooks the gardens and is framed by actual lemon trees inside the dining room, a design detail that's easy to overlook but genuinely sets the room apart. Dishes pull from the French Riviera and coastal Italy. Beyond the main restaurants, there's a wood-fired pizza snack bar, a coffee shop open through the afternoon, and a creperie with an ice cream counter. Worth noting that some ice cream items carry an additional charge, which catches a few people off guard. On the bar side, La Placita runs from 7 a.m. until midnight as the main social hub here. The shot bar takes over from there until 2 a.m. It's a sports and disco hybrid, a slightly unusual combination that seems to work for the late crowd. Food and non-alcoholic drinks are available 24 hours through the cafeteria, a practical detail worth noting if you're arriving on a late transfer. With dining covered, let's take a look at what your days here can actually look like. We'll start with the beach because this is where Viva Miches sets itself apart from most of the Dominican Republic's all-inclusive corridors. The resort sits on Playa Esmeralda, and unlike the seaweed issues that have plagued parts of Punta Cana in recent years, this stretch is known for being calm and consistently clear. That's not marketing copy, it's a genuine geographic advantage, and it's one of the main reasons this area has been developing so quickly. 4 outdoor pools are spread across the grounds, with the main one being a large oceanfront infinity pool anchored by a swim-up bar and 2 jacuzzis. The lagoon-style design curves around the bar, with sun loungers pulled right up to the water's edge. It's a well-designed setup that holds up across a full day. On the water, non-motorized sports are fully included. Kayaks, paddleboards, boogie boards, and small sailboats run from 9 a.m. through to late afternoon. There's also water polo and water aerobics running daily in the pool, along with Zumba sessions if that's your thing. Around here, it usually makes sense to check pricing, especially given how much the room types vary. We recommend using the Expedia links in the description to see live rates and compare the different options side by side, so you can get a clear picture of what actually fits best for your dates. On land, there's more going on than you'd typically expect. Tennis and paddle courts are available, open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Just make a reservation at the front desk. On the beach, there's archery, a batting range, and volleyball. And if you've ever wanted to try a trapeze, this is one of the very few all-inclusives where that's actually an option. Inside, the recreational area features billiards, ping pong, foosball, and a video game zone. A solid option if you need to escape the heat for an hour. The gym is well stocked with cardio and resistance equipment, and there's an on-site trainer for a guided session. For families, the Vivitos Kids Club runs from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. for ages 4 to 12, featuring crafts, mini Olympics, a small water park, and a mini disco before the main evening show. There's also a dedicated teens lounge with PlayStations and organized social activities for 11 to 17-year-olds. A detail that rarely gets covered but matters a lot if you're traveling with older kids who won't be satisfied with the standard children's program. Evenings run through what they call the Viva Vibe Entertainment Program. Nightly shows start at 9:30 p.m. in the open-air theater. Professional dancers, musicians, themed musicals, and comedy performances. After the show wraps around 11:30, the shot bar takes over until 2 a.m. with darts, foosball, and a disco format. Throughout the week, the beach comes alive after dark. White parties, neon nights, foam events, each one soundtracked by a live DJ set. And when you're ready to step away from all of that, the spa is there. It runs on a separate fee covering massages, body wraps, and a full hydrotherapy circuit. The kind of setup you'd expect from a standalone wellness space rather than something added on. Set against the natural surroundings of Miches, it feels different from a spa tucked inside a busy hotel corridor. Now here's something most videos about this place won't tell you. The location, which some travelers initially see as a drawback because it's farther from Punta Cana International, actually unlocks a set of excursions that are completely out of reach from the main resort strip. Montaña Redonda is 20 minutes away, a hilltop swing with a 360-degree view of the coastline that photographs exactly as well as it sounds. Los Hadeses is a boat ride through ancient mangroves and pre-Columbian caves, and between January and March, humpback whales move through the Bay of Samaná, one of the best whale-watching windows in the Caribbean. None of this is accessible from the main Punta Cana strip, and that's an advantage worth factoring in. Overall, Viva Miches by Wyndham gets a lot right for its price point. A quieter location away from the main tourist areas, a genuinely strong beach at Playa Esmeralda, and a setup that balances relaxed days with a more social atmosphere in the evenings. The room categories are easy to navigate, and the splash options in particular offer a more private feel without stretching the budget too much. If you've stayed with us this far, it's likely a strong fit for what you're looking for. We'd recommend using the Expedia links in the description to check the live rates and compare the room options for your dates, as that's where the real differences start to show. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.